Polyvan Teachers and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting topic of English grammar. Today, I will be teaching you words followed by prepositions. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyvan Teachers and watch the video till the end.
So before I begin with the part 2 of this video, let me just share the screen with you all. So words followed by prepositions. In the last video, we had learned about certain words, certain sentences where we found that there are certain particular prepositions which are placed just after the nouns, verbs, adjectives and some participles. Now let us see what else is there in this video. So sometimes a word takes a certain preposition after it in one context and a different preposition in another context. What is that? Let us see. We should accommodate ourselves to circumstances. Now just focus on the word which is yellow colored. Accommodate. This is the word which in the first sentence has taken the preposition to. Now let us read the second sentence. My friend accommodated me with a loan. In the second sentence, that same word accommodated is used with the preposition with. So there are certain words which take one preposition in one context and the same word can be used with other preposition in some another context. Let's see. Let's read more sentences about it. I differ with you on this question. So differ with. Your car differs from mine in several respects. So differs from. I am anxious about the result. Anxious about. Her parents are anxious for her safety. Now in the second sentence, anxious is used with for. He has retired from business. So here retired is followed by the preposition from. But in the next sentence, we find that some other preposition is used with the word retired. He has retired into private life. Now both the sentences, although the verb is retired, but they are written in different contexts. So retired from business means he has taken leave from the business. Retired into private life means he has gone into the private life. He has great influence over his disciples. Here, influence is followed by the preposition over. He has hardly any influence with the vizier. So, in the second sentence, influence is used with the preposition with. The remarks of his critics had considerable influence on his writings. Influence on. All his life, he labored for the good of humanity. So labored is used with for. In the second sentence, he is laboring under a misapprehension. Laboring under. He labored at his dictionary for 12 years. Again, in the third sentence, labored is followed by the preposition at. Trespassers are liable to a fine of rupees 500. Liable to. He is liable for his wife's debts. Liable for. So let us do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. We all are slaves dash convention. No man should be a slave dash his passions. And the prepositions are given of and to. So we all are slaves dash convention. No man should be a slave dash passions. Let us see what are the prepositions used here. So to. To is placed in the first case. We are all slaves to convention. And no man should be slave of his passions. He is blind dash or one eye. Are you blind dash your own interest? So here we find two prepositions of and to. He is blind in or of one eye. He is blind of one eye. Are you blind to your own interest? That means you are not paying attention or you do not give any importance to your interest. Next is, there is no exception dash the rule. All the ministers were present at the function with the exception dash Mr. Smith. He took exception dash the presence of an outsider. Now 3 times, 3 different sentences, exception word is used. And in all these 3 sentences, we find 3 different prepositions: against, of, and to. So there is no exception dash the rule. There is no exception against, of, or to. Let's see. There is no exception to the rule. All the ministers were present at the function with the exception of Mr. Smith. He took exception against the presence of an outsider. Now next sentence. Most of the roads in that district are not suitable dash motor cars. He lives in a style suitable dash his position. We have 2 prepositions, for and to. So in the first case, we find this preposition, most of the roads in that district are not suitable for motor cars. Or you can even write to also. He lives in a style suitable to his position or suitable for his position. Both are correct. His creditors became impatient dash payment. Impatient dash delay. He knocked at the door rather loudly. The people became impatient dash the burden of heavy taxation. So in the first case, his creditors became impatient for payment. Impatient at delay. He knocked at the door rather loudly. The people became impatient under the burden of heavy taxation. Next we have, he responded dash the ladies in a humorous speech. So he responded dash the ladies in a humorous speech. The boy immediately responded dash a blow. He responded dash his toast in a neat little speech. So let's see. He responded to the ladies, or it yes, he responded to the ladies in a humorous speech. The boy immediately responded with a blow, and he responded to or for his toast in a neat little speech. It does not rest dash the collector to order his release. His whole case rests dash alibi. And the prepositions are on and with. It does not rest dash the collector with the collector to order his release. His whole case rests on alibi. Some related words take different prepositions after them. What are they? Let's see. I acted according to his advice. In accordance with his advice, I took quinine. So in the first sentence, according is followed by to. In the second sentence, accordance is followed by the preposition with. She has great affection for her grandchildren. So affection is followed by for. The old lady is affectionate to all. Affectionate followed by to. The flood and ebb, tides alternate with each other. Alternate with. The alternative to submission is death. Alternative to. It is all due to his ambition for fame. Ambition for. He is ambitious of fame. Ambitious of. He is capable of anything. Capable of. He has not the requisite capacity for this work. So capacity for. He has great confidence in his assistant. Confidence in. He is quite confident of success. Confident of. What a contrast to his brother. Contrast to. What a contrast between them. Contrast between. All the blue colored words are prepositions, and the words before that are different words. They can be noun, they can be adjective. The present speech is mild contrasted with his past utterance on the same subject. So contrast can be used with three different prepositions, to, between and with. It is not likely to derogate from his merit. Derogate from. He never said or did anything derogatory to his high position. Derogatory to. He is descended from a noble family. Descended from. He is a descendant of Mahatma Gandhi. Descendant of. Then he has no desire for fame. Desire for. He is desirous of visiting Agra. Desirous of. He was equal to the occasion. Equal to. Then he is to be blamed equally with his brother. Equally with. So equal is followed by to. Equally is followed by with. The coat fits me well except for the collar. Except for. I take exception to your remark. Exception to. The child is fond of sweets. Fond of. She has great fondness for children. Fondness for. The drama is founded on an episode in the Ramayana. Founded on. It has, however, no foundation in fact. Foundation in. He hindered me from going. So hindered is followed by from. Child marriage is a great hindrance to progress. Hindrance to. He is quite infatuated with her. Infatuated with. His infatuation for that girl led him astray. Infatuation for. He has no liking for cards. Liking for. His dislike to her continued to increase. Dislike to. He is neglectful of his dress. Neglectful of. I have often found him negligent in his work. Negligent in. They say he is partial to his friends. Partial to. Children show a partiality for sweetmeats. Partiality for. I have no prejudice against foreigners. Prejudice against. Such a step will be prejudicial to your interest. Prejudicial to. He is prepared for anything. Prepared for. Preparatory to taking extreme measures, his father once again warned him. Preparatory to. The next is pursuant to our conversation. I now send you a check for ₹500 as my contribution to the fund. In persuasion of your instructions, we are writing today to the collector. I am of opinion that he is qualified for the post. He is disqualified from practicing as a pleader. Next, as a result of the injury received by him, he died of tetanus. So died of. It is said that nothing resulted from the conference. Resulted from. I have great respect for his learning. Respect for. He is respectful to his superiors without being servile. He seized upon the opportunity offered to him. The seizure of his property was carried out under direct orders from the Raja. Then I assure you that I am sensible of your kindness. His paralyzed arm is insensible to feeling. Subsequent to the meeting, he wrote a letter to the Hindu. Then consequent upon this letter, the agents of the company filed a suit against him for defamation. Next is trust in God and do what is right. His distrust of his assistants is perhaps unfounded. The country suffers for want of skilled labor and he is wanting in a little common sense. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.
That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my latest videos. So till I bring more videos, stay tuned to my channel #PolyBandTeaches and watch all my videos. Till I bring more videos, bye bye.